Hello and welcome back to the channel. Um, so I was folding the Ryujin 1.2, and I just finished doing the 48 by 48 diagonal grid. It's a bit hard to see in the angle, but part of that was diagonal thirds, and I realized thirds and other divisions are kind of hard thing to do in origami. So I thought I'd show you how to make both regular thirds and diagonal. So for regular thirds, take the paper, also it's upside down because of the angle, and take the corner to the corner and fold the diagonal. This technique is from a Tadashi Mori video. Then fold the edge to the edge. Fold it in half if you want thirds, but fold it in fourths if you want fifths, and then sixths if you want sevenths or something like that. But this is from a Tadashi Mori video. So take this edge where it meets that right across from the diagonal and pinch the paper at that edge and at the bottom corner across. And that intersection, pinch along that and fold there. Then fold to the other side and fold the edge down to the edge. There, now you have thirds. And now for diagonal thirds. Fold the diagonal. Oh yeah, like said, this technique does work on other things. So like doing it from that corner would give you fourths at the intersection, and so on. But this diagonal method for thirds, I'm not really sure if it works for other diagonal dimensions. But just make the first two basic folds of that. But the only thing I have used it for is Ryujin 1.2. Once those are made, do the exact same thing. This method was from a Origami Sage video. Is Ryujin 1.2 collapsing. And then take this corner and bring it to meet that point. And then fold this point over to the other side. And that's diagonal thirds. And so that's both thirds, diagonal, and regular. So that was a pretty short video, but I just thought I'd show you the thirds. Also, I am getting ready to do more advanced tutorials, because this came, and that thing on the cover, the Ancient Dragon 2.0. Probably a bit hard to see, but that was a 4 foot by 4 foot sheet of craft paper. So, that's the end of this tutorial, and have fun folding.